Hi, this is Massimo, and welcome to my first tutorial. We're modeling the Earth for the vase now, and for that I'm bringing in a vase that I downloaded from the Cosmos browser, and yeah, we're going to convert it to edit polys, and draw a plane, and this plane will be our ground mesh, basically. Selecting all the faces, extruding them, then we select the borders and cap, close it, which will be important for the boolean operation later on. Then select the faces again and tessellate them. Basically, we adding more faces to it, so we have a better surface. And then we add a nice modifier with the faces selected, so we only affect those faces, and yeah, we get a nice kind of ground feeling. Well, I'm doing some, seed variations to see which one I like most, and then it's just, up to you. I think you need it. So once I'm finally happy, we go and yes, first of all, assign different wire color. Then we move the Earth towards the vase. I'm doing that because the vase was at a specific spot. So when I'm later importing it into the other scene, it will be exactly the same spot. Then position that the vase is inside it. Otherwise, the boolean will not work correctly. Convert to edit poly, compound objects, and then pro boolean. We'll need to add a slight modifier because this didn't kind of work for that boolean operation. So once we do that, it should work. So we slice it and then we cap it basically. Then do the same for the top. Delete the inner part and flip the nose. There we go. Nice closed kind of bone shape, which will make the boolean work correct. Put it to intersection, pick the operand, and there we go. Here's our pelt that we're going to use as filling inside of the jar. So this is a script called Copytor, which lets you copy things from one scene to another. So here I had it inside there in the Copytor, and now I'm adding it back, and now you will see that everything works correctly. And we have our beautiful Earth. Let's move to the next part.